How to add subtasks in Google Tasks Google Spaces. In this video, I'll show you how to add subtasks in Google Tasks Google Spaces. So, the first thing that you'll need to do is tasks created directly on Google Chat Spaces, formerly known as Rooms, do not support native subtasks. You can assign tasks and set due dates, but you cannot nest subtasks under a parent task like you can in the standalone Google Tasks app. So, a workaround for this is to go ahead and open the Google space where you want to add tasks to, and then click on Assign Tasks from here, and then that will take you into this section. So in here, instead of creating subtasks, what you can do is to go ahead and use descriptive task title. So instead of subtasks, break down your task into multiple items with clear labels. So for example, you want to add subtasks for design homepage. You can go ahead and start naming this as design homepage draft, design homepage review, design homepage finalize, set the assignee, and then set the due date. This keeps everything visible and actionable within the space. So that is how you can basically add subtasks in Google Tasks Google Spaces. There is no direct way, but you can go ahead and use descriptive task titles to do this. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.